Morning guys, it's Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just outside Lidl and about to go in and do a bit of a shop. So while you guys wait for me, have a look at the stuff I picked up in Tesco's and I'll see you guys after. So I got 2 packs of sausages. I'll freeze one and keep one out. Loads of butter. My favourite yogurt, Greek style honey yogurt. My favourite version of this is actually from Lidl, so I'll be getting some hopefully. Some cathedral, some ice cream, mashed potato, sweet corn. So this is all frozen. The ice cream, obviously, mashed potato, the sweet corn. And then some seafood. I got some squid rings, some seafood selection, and some cooked mussels. All of those are frozen. And then bag of sweet potatoes, a bag of parsnips, 2 bags of carrots, some bananas, some soya milk. Excuse the Dyson, is just charging there. 2 packs of crackers, 3 packs of mini breadsticks. Also got these Fruit Factory fruit stars and fruit strings for Alex. Some cocoa powder. Alex's favourite. I really actually like that. Alex doesn't eat the Cheerios, he eats the OT crisp flakes. So I use the Cheerios sometimes with yogurt. Got some decaf coffee, some cannellini beans, some red kidney beans as well. 3 passatas, they were half price. I think they were 75p for those. 2 different types of salad dressing, Caesar salad and citrus and chili. I've never tried this one. Some sparkling spring water, mustard, some, what do you call those? English muffins, sorry. Some wraps, 2 things of golden syrup oats for Paul, baby. It's Tesco's Loves Baby washing powder. I really like that, and that's £2.50 for that big box. 2 bags of bunny bites. These are like Tesco's own version of the little Pom Bears ones. Some Rice Krispies, and then a big bag of crisps for Paul and 2 bags of cat food. Okay, so here is all the stuff I got from Lidl. I picked up a big bag of red apples and a bag of potatoes. Also some beef steak mince and 2 ribeye steaks. Got some black seedless grapes, chorizo extra, 2 packs. I saw this and I thought I'd give it a try. I have no idea what it's like. Frito misto, mixed seafood and batter. Picked up sauteed potatoes with onions and bacon, and then 2 potato gratins. You've seen those before. I got some Greek style yogurt. I was actually looking for the honey flavoured one, but they didn't have it, so I thought I would try this one and add honey. Got some chestnut mushrooms, a thing of garlic bread, milk, some passion fruit, orange and peach smoothies for Alex, Emmental sliced cheese, wafer thin smoked ham, some chicken breasts, and also some pork loin chops and some chicken thighs, some bananas there, cauliflower, a bag of spinach, and then some salad. This is called butterhead salad, and also a crispy mixed leaf salad, 2 long life milks, 1 apple and mango juice, 2 things of pod coffee, a fresh baguette, some peach loopies, like sweeties. I found this lovely card to send to my mother-in-law. Obviously it'll be from Paul. Some Easter eggs for the Easter egg hunt that we always do for Alex. Some whole nut chocolate. I tried these last time, these were really good. Also some moist toilet tissue paper, some light brown soft sugar, some pops. This is the barbecue, Paul will love that. Naan breads, another thing of the moist tissue paper, 2 things of gum, rich tea, biscuits, and then 3 packs of this multivitamin juice. Let me show you. Alex really liked that, so I got those for his lunchbox. Some mackerel fillets in tomato sauce, white bread, and 2 things of baguettes, pre-baked baguettes.